Hello friends, today's topic, big bonus for Bajaj finance shareholders. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday evening, after market hours, Bajaj Finance announced its quarter results. Results were decent but slightly below expectations as per analysts. However, the company made some important announcements regarding stock split, bonus and dividend. Bajaj Finance dividend details. Special interim dividend record date 9th May 2025. Likely payment date on around 26 May 2025. Dividend per share 12 rupees per share. Final dividend record date 30th May 2025. Likely payment on around 28 July 2025 and rupees 44 per share. Total rupees 56 per share. The final dividend of 44 per share is the highest ever dividend announced by Bajaj Finance. Last year, Bajaj Finance had declared a final dividend of rupees 36 per share, which was the highest until now. Bajaj Finance has also announced a stock split and bonus issue. The stock split has been done to make the stock more attractive for investors, and the bonus issue was to distribute its profit among shareholders. The company said that the bonus issue reflects the company's strong financial position, robust reserves, and positive growth outlook. The stock split has been announced the ratio of 1:2. This means that for every one existing share, shareholders will receive 2 shares after the split. Currently, Bajaj Finance shares face value is rupees 2. It will be split into 2 shares of rupees 1 face value after the stock split. Simultaneously, after the stock split, Bajaj Finance has announced a bonus issue, the ratio of 4:1. This means that shareholders will get 4 shares as bonus for every 1 share held. The exercise of bonus shares and the stock split will be completed on or before June 27, 2025 as per Bajaj Finance. The record date for bonus and stock split has not been announced yet. So, if a shareholder has 10 shares currently, the following will be the effect after the stock split and bonus issue. Stock split 1:2, 10 shares of rupees 2 face value will become 20 shares of rupees 1 face value. Bonus issue of 4:1. Shareholders will get 80 shares as bonus for 20 shares held after the stock split. So, if a shareholder has 10 shares now, after stock split and bonus, he will receive 100 shares in total. Of course, the share price will adjust for the stock split and bonus since the holding value of the investment before and after the adjustments should be approximately the same. Please note that the buying of any share just for stock split and bonus is not correct. Invest only if you expect long-term appreciation. So if you have 10 shares of Bajaj Finance today, the approximate value is 86,000 since one share is trading at approximately 8,600. After the stock split and bonus, 10 shares will become 100 shares. So to broadly have the same value of the share price will adjust to with 860 to 900 per share. With 100 shares, the approximate value of Bajaj Finance shares you hold will be 816 to 10 is equal to 86,000. When the price falls to 860 to 900, many investors will perceive it to be affordable and may start investing. This demand may push the prices higher. This is how a stock split and bonus issue helps shareholders. Of course, the share price has to appreciate. In the long term, the company fundamentals should be good and has to improve over the years. Here is an announcement. ಷೇರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏಕೆ ಲಾಭ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. For all channel members on 30th April Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. End of the video, here is the question. Do you currently own Bajaj Finance shares? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.